Go ahead and bolt it up. There it goes. Put the swing arm bolt in. Yep. There. Perfect. Okay, so I had the radiators braced up by Brett at ICW. He does a really good job. This was a brand new radiator, but I had him put on these supports, these gussets in the corner, and then these two bars. I had them done on both sides, so we're gonna go ahead and mount them up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on the radiator hoses, and I got this kit from AS3 Performance. They're in the UK. What's nice about it is they make a kit for the 01 CR250 that has the Y hoses. So the hoses are built together as a Y. The stock OEM has this three-way connector, and I like how the new hoses, it's all integrated within the hose, that Y connection, because to me this is just another part that can fail. You have 3 more connections in a plastic piece. I had an older CR250 that one of these plastic pieces broke and all the coolant leaked out, and I didn't notice it, and I blew a hole in the top of my piston. So I like this better, so we're going to go ahead and put this on. And then they have these clamps that are designed to not cut into hoses. Let's go ahead and open it up. And they provide you with all the hoses you need. Overflow, everything. Sound strap. Sound strap. Okay, so I have the MIG 2.0 ODI lock-on grips. These are really great. I started using these, and I think I'll always use these when I can because they're so much easier than having to glue on grips. So you just gotta find the cam that fits for your bike for the throttle. And it used to come with a little piece of paper. I guess you gotta scan the QR code now, and it'll tell you which cam to use for what bike. So we'll go ahead and put those on. Okay, so the knurling that comes on the bars, these aren't ODI bars, these are Renthal bars. So the lock-on grip from ODI won't get past that knurling. So you gotta knock it down a little bit. You know, either hit it with a grinder or something. I'm just gonna use a file. I've had to do this before. Just try to knock some of that down so that this can slip on. I think the ODI bars already come to accept their grips, and you don't have to do that, if I remember right. But I'm gonna go ahead and file that down a little bit. Okay, let's go ahead and slide it on. Ooh. I think I might have to move these over a little bit. Okay, and it's a 3mm Allen. And you snug it up. These are great. That's it, you're done. So much easier than glue, messing with glue or wire ties or anything like that. Okay, so go ahead and slide the grip on with the correct cam. And put the throttle housing on. I like to, when I put the grip on, I push it all the way in and then I back it off just a little bit so the end of it isn't rubbing up against the bar. That's it. All right, let's feel the compression. Ooh, hit the pedal. Feels good. Okay, so I put a little 2-stroke oil on the O-rings so they'd slide in better, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the gasket in. It's a little tricky because it's all gotta kind of line up. It's a little tight. This should really pop in there. Thanks for watching the video. If you're interested in more, please like and subscribe, and I'll be dropping more videos as this project progresses. Until then, ride on.